everyone! Good morning guys and welcome back sa aking channel. Ngayong araw nito guys, pupunta tayo sa may Tung Chau. So ngayon nandito ako sa may Central Station. So kung makikita ninyo Central. So from here, pupunta tayo doon sa may Central Ferry Station. Doon tayo sasakay ng ferry papuntang Tung Chau. So tala guys, join me today sa ating adventure sa Tung Chau Island. Let's go! So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa my Central. Pupunta tayo ng Tung Chau. So dito po yan ng ferry station nila. Dito sa my Central. So dito guys, may option kayo. Kung gusto nyo ng ordinary ferry or fast ferry. So alamin natin kung magkano nga ba ang pamasahe. So for the fast ferry guys, ito yung kanilang pamasahe. The ordinary ferry, ito yung kanilang pamasahe guys. So you have a choice. If you want faster, so you have to go to fast ferry. But if you want a little bit slow, so you have to go to ordinary ferry. So dito guys, sasakay lang tayo ng ordinary ferry kasi hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. At saka cheaper siya compare to the fast ferry. So you can pay octopus. So mga 1 hour yung biyahe ng ferry nito guys from here sa Central papunta doon sa may Tung Chau Island. guys sa may Chung Chau. So ngayon bababa na tayo ng ferry. Wow, napakaraming tao dito guys na gustong bumisita dito sa may Chung Chau na to. First time ko dito guys, kaya enjoy natin yung pag-explore natin sa lugar na ito. So ayun guys, so ayan, papunta na ito sa may Central guys. Babalik na sila ng Central. Wow, ito pala yung Chung Chau. Nakaka-excite naman dito. Ayan. Napakaraming tao. Ito pala yung Chung Chau na sinasabi nila. May McDonald's din sila. Oh, may Palino din sila. Buy one, free one. Wow. Oh, dito pala yung market nila. Ayan. Ito yung mga bicycle actually guys, no? Pwede kayong magrenta, I think. Kasi dito guys, wala silang bus, so wala silang car. So mostly yung mode of transportation na dito ay yung bicycle. So makikita ninyo. There's some place here that you can rent a bicycle and you can explore the whole islands. They also have some fun boat. I don't know where it goes. Ayan, so pwede kayong bumili dito ng mga ano, dilis ba yan? Dilis. Sarap siguro ng dilis na yan. Ayan, may heavy man sila. Ang sarap siguro yan. Ano? Dito naman fishball. Wow, ayan. Ang gusto nyo bumili ng fishball. No mixed flavor. Cash only. Cash only. They don't accept tupos here. How much is that? 2 bowls. 2 bowls is how much? $13. Oh, 2 bowls is $13. Ayan. Siguro guys, ano, masarap itong fishball. So dito pwede kang bumili ng mga seafood. Wow, sarap naman, no? Sarap ng heavy na yan guys. So, ito naman is drinks. Ayan, mga drinks. Gusto nyo. Chinese New Year decorations. Nandito pa. Explore natin ang Chung Chau Island ito guys. Parang ito siguro yung market nila. Ayan. Parang market nila siguro ito. So makikita niyo, so many bicycle. Ayan. Kasi nga, ito yung transportation nila dito, bicycle. This market. Ayan. What else we see? What else inside guys? Tongwa Beach. Tongwa Beach. Wow! Ito pala guys yung mga ano nila, street food nila guys. Yeah. $13 I think for 2 bowls. Ayan guys. Oh. Yan, pwede mong ilagay dito yung ano, yung padlock, parang ganon. Love lock. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung meron dito. Oh! Ay, ganito pala yan guys. So, love lock. Ah. Ayan, nakikita ko lang ito dati sa mga vlog no, na ibang mga Pilipino, but it's good to see, no guys. Ito pala yan. Ayan, tingnan natin dito guys. Wow, so many. It's quite big, no? Ayan. Oh. Dito pwede mong i-ano, stick yung padlock, no? Tingnan mo ako. Naglalak na na sila. I think siguro may bilihan doon sa labas, guys, ng padlock na to. And then you can write your name. And then you can lock it here. Please do not hang locks on the wire. This is new. Kasi wala pa masyado. Ayan. Billion people on Earth. 8.1 billion people on Earth. And I finally found here. Matthew and Jasmine. That was 2004. Last year. That's nice. It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is essential is invisible to the eye. Okay, Love Scene 2004. This is nice, guys. It's very famous actually here in Chongqiao, as you can see. Nice. pagdating natin sa may Chung Chau. So ngayon nakita niyo kung gaano kaganda yung Chung Chau. Actually first time ko yung pumunta doon. And sa mga hindi pa nakapunta doon, alam niyo na kung saan kayo sasakay dito sa may Central na ferry papunta doon sa may Chung Chau. So yun guys, thank you so much sa pag-join sa akin today. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa ating next na vlog. Have a good evening kasi 8:30 na ng gabi. Good evening and good night. Thank you guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.